Hello everyone. If you are looking to grow your career as a content freelancer, Upwork is a fantastic platform to help you achieve that. So, in this video, let me show you how. So first, start by creating a strong Upwork profile. Highlight your best work, set a competitive hourly rate, and write a compelling bio that clearly explains your skills and experience. Don't just apply to any job, apply to those that match your skills and experience. Tailor each proposal to the specific client and be clear about how you can provide value to their project. Once you have landed a few gigs, make sure to deliver high quality work on time. Great reviews will help you stand out and attract more clients. And that is how you can grow a content freelancer on Upwork. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.